my name is Kate and I am a volunteer with ATPF and I will be explaining how to take care of your skin. It's important to take care of your skin so that you don't get red bumps called acne and so that you have clean and healthy skin. When you're taking care of your skin, you're going to either want your hair up like mine is or you're going to want a headband. How you put on a headband is you put one part of it, I usually put this bow, under your chin, and then you take the rest and you put it over your face. And then you take that part that's under your chin and you put it up on your head. You want to make sure that there's no hair peeking through so that when you put stuff on your face, they don't get weird, your hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a washcloth and you're going to go over to your sink, turn on the water, and you're going to get it wet. And then I usually squeeze mine out so that when I bring it back over, it doesn't drip all over the floor. What you're going to do is you're going to put it all over your face. Careful not to get into your eyes, but it's okay if the water gets in your eyes. And then what you do is you get a facial cleanser or face wash. And this one is Alba that I'm using. And you just put a little bit on it. That's probably a bit too much. Just as much toothpaste as you'd put on your toothbrush probably when you're brushing your teeth. And then you want to scrub it. As you can see, it's all white and bubbly. And then you put that on your face. This you definitely don't want to get into your eyes or it'll burn and your eyes will turn red. Just won't be good. So you can see there's bubbles and my skin looks all crazy. So then what you do is get the washcloth, you go back over to the sink, turn the water on, and I usually put it right under the water so that the water's heavy on it and it makes it so that all the soap comes out. Because if you leave soap on your face, then your face can get all red and get those bumps. So then once you think it's good, you just really squeeze it out. Maybe I'll put a bit more water on it just to make sure that there's no facial cleanser on it. Then that looks about good. It's okay if there's still a little bit though. Then you squeeze it out really well. And then you just put it all over your face so that you're taking off that cleanser. So once that's done, now your face is clean. So if you want to, you can just leave it like this. But what I like to do is put on moisturizer so that my skin's all soft. So I'm also using Alba. It's a little set that you can just get probably at a grocery store even. And you just want to put the tiniest bit of the moisturizer so that your face doesn't get all weird. So you just put it all over your face. This one you still don't want to get into your eyes. You never really want to get anything in your eyes unless they're like eye drops. Other than that, you don't want to. And then once it's all rubbed in, I usually rub it in circles. Then you're all done.